Hey everybody, this is Tim Blankenship with SCV Legal Doc Assist. We're a licensed and bonded legal document preparation firm, and today we are going to talk about how to file an ex parte motion. Whenever I get a question for one of my clients, I always think it's a good idea to go on video and answer the question on video so it's there for other people to find and find the answer to. So let's jump right into how to file an ex parte motion. First, though, let's talk about what is ex parte. I have a couple of slides here for you. I just went to Wikipedia just to look up ex parte. Ex parte means by or for one party. It's a decision that's decided by a judge without requiring all the parties to the controversy to be present. Generally, it's an emergency where you would go into court, something you can't wait for a regular court date, an emergency where you'd want to go in and speak to the judge. I did find a great article written by the Los Angeles County Bar Association, written by James Ryan. I'm going to use this as a reference in describing how to file for ex parte. So I'm just going to read a bit of it and then go into detail on some of the comments here. Ex parte relief is requested when it is impractical or impossible to wait the minimum statutory period for the court to hear a regular motion. So, for instance, let's say you want to file a request for order, you want some orders for child support or spousal support, or any orders that you want the court to make orders for. And let's say, like as it stands now in central court, it's about 60 days if you file a motion before you'll get a court date. If you can't wait 60 days, it may be possible for you to file an ex parte motion. Now, again, it generally has to be some type of emergency, demonstrable irreparable harm, immediate danger, or some other statutory basis for granting relief. Now, let's talk about the specifics of filing. At central court, you would go in, the clerk's office opens at 8 a.m. You'd want to file your motion before 8:30. You'll go to the clerk's office in room 426. You'll pay your filing fee. It's $65 to file an ex parte motion. If it's post-judgment, it's $85. If you are in the San Fernando courthouse, their ex partes are held at 10 a.m. So you'd want to see the clerk prior to that and go in, pay your filing fee prior to that time. What happens is you'll go to the filing window first. You'll pay your fee, and if you already have a case, well, you'll already have a case. You usually will go to the courtroom where that case has been assigned throughout your case. It is important that notice is still given. You still have to give ex parte notice. You can't just show up in court and ask the judge for orders. You have to make a phone call advising the other party by 10 a.m. the day before, and I did see that in here. Under most circumstances, before a party can seek ex parte relief, it must notify all parties no later than 10 a.m. by the court date before the intended ex parte notice. So today is Monday. I'd have to give ex parte notice today by 10 a.m. if I wanted to go down to central court tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. It also advises that once you make that phone call, that you send a confirming email, basically saying the email is to confirm that on this date at this time I called you and advised you I'd be going to court ex parte at this department. The other thing that you should be aware of is that in most cases, if you do appear ex parte and the other party does not show up, that any orders that are made will be temporary. Again, this goes to notice, and the courts want to give the other party an opportunity to be heard. So you can anticipate if orders are made that they will be temporary and that the matter will be continued until another date where the other party can appear and let the court know their side of the story before they make permanent orders. I will put this link into the post so you can read this article by Los Angeles County Bar Association. It goes into great detail on how to file an ex parte motion and what an ex parte motion is for. My name is Tim Blankenship with SCV Legal Doc Assist. We're a licensed and bonded legal document preparation service specializing in the divorce process. If we could be of any assistance in helping you prepare your divorce, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you and have a great day.